Tonight's a tech night, and what I think we can accomplish is a Twitch Plays Patrick's Parabox. Because it's 4 buttons, right? It's up, down, left, right. You don't need anything other than that. Patrick's Parabox. We're going to try and get Patrick's Parabox running by inputting keystrokes based on where you guys click. The first thing we need to do is show where someone has clicked accurately. So we need an overlay that is a siphon spout out. The siphon spout out will be called click display. Now we need something very simple, a circle. And you can create a simple circle by clicking circle. The radius will be 1. Change this to 1920 by 1080, and then change the circle to be much smaller. And then we put the center of it like this. Circle, center. It needs to become a chop. To chop? Dat to chop? So this needs to be dat 2. The dat is this, and now it's a point. And now I can send it with this. Current chop value. Let's do another dat 2. Dat 2. The dat is y-click. Oh, there's an error. Resolution limited. That's fine. I'll just change it to 1280 by 720. This is fine. So the center of the circle is that too, but it's not working. First row is values. First column is values. Now if we bring this into this, it will show a value. It's wrong, but not for the reasons you might expect. We need to normalize the dat2. So now that we have a value we can use, it has to be normalized. When you normalize something, it goes from 0 to 1. So the way that Touch Designer decides where something is on a screen is, in this scenario, with the circle, 0, 0 is going to be the exact center of the screen. So the furthest to the left is going to be -1. The furthest to the right is going to be +1. So when I'm clicking, the data I'm getting from heat.js, is normalized. We need to unnormalize it and make it ranged from -1 to 1. We just do a range. From 0 to 1 goes to -1 to 1. And then we've done it. There's our math. Right? Why is it just say 1? That can't be right. It's -0.5, folks. All you have to do is change it in here. And it's pre-solved for you. Now drop it in as a style. Export. And export. Okay, so now we should be getting a true to life siphon output of where the dot goes. How do we test if this is in fact true to life? Well, I've got the great answer for you. It's called siphon spout. If I click there, it goes there. Nope, it's wrong. Whatever it is, it's wrong. The negative space is wrong. Okay, so our y-axis is inverted. Y-axis needs to be 0 and negative. Okay, now we should be true to life. Hey, okay, they're clicking on my face. We'll go into Photoshop. It doesn't have to be fancy. It just has to be... It just has to be functional. This is just a proof of concept. Get out of here. Get out of here. Okay, we've got arrows. I'm going to make it even easier for myself. Now I need to convert those clicks into keyboard presses. So now, dat execute. This looks at a table, and when something changes, it runs a program. I need to turn this into a table. Okay, so this is where we do our main coding in this here comp. But first, before we do that, we need to put the X click and the Y click into a dat, a single table dat. Okay, so we have a table. So now we do some coding. This is when the true math science occurs. Import pi auto GUI math. So on table change, what button do we want to press? Pi auto GUI. Patrick's parabox is WASD, isn't it? It should be press. Because it's not tap. Okay, wait. Insert 1 is greater than 0. Click equals OP insert 1 0 0. So now we've defined that variable, and now Y click equals OP insert 1 0 1. So now instead of this, we say X click. So if X click is greater than 0.96 and less than 0.146, now it only functions in a very specific zone. Oops. Run it. Copy. So this is Y click and Y click. This is 0.66 and 0.76. Copy. Enter. Oops. Then we do an elif. Tab. The final else is just nothing. Alright, so our Y coordinates are 7, 6 and 8, 4. And our X coordinates are 1, 5, 0, 9, 6 and 1, 4. 8, 8. 9, 5. 7, 6, 8, 4. 0, 3 and 0, 8. Look at this poor purple boy. Just waiting so patiently. Put him in the corner as a reminder of who we're doing it for. The little purple guy in the corner, that's who we're doing it for. So now if we do pi direct input, we did it for the boy. We did it for the young man. The young purple man. And look, he moves. Hello, young purple guy. Go ahead, click all you want. We've done it. Okay, I want to play Vampire Survivor. Go ahead. Quick, help. Nope. You can't get killed by you got to click faster, guys. Get out of there. Get out of there. I'm done with the stream. It's midnight. I've been streaming for 4 hours. I'd like to go to bed.